Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Hyundai i20. This is the SE version and comes with the 1.4 petrol engine with the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 51 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 9, and the car's got a nice low mileage of just over 28,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Aqua Sparkling and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we open inside, first of all, we've got the nice grey seats there, which certainly brighten up the interior, as you can see, in great condition. Onto the dashboard, you've got your CD player in the centre with the air conditioning below, and this car also has cruise control there on the steering wheel, as well as the electric mirror controls and the 4 electric window switches on the door card. And as we open the rear doors, as you can see, easy access there in and out, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate, you have the good sized boot there, nice and square and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shaft that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have a space saver wheel, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.